A pig can grunt. Put jam on the crust. Ted bit the last crisp. Dan had a skin graft. Pat is a big plump lad. Tom swept up the dust. The tramp is not plump. The soft crust is not crisp. The frost got at the plant. Stand up on the top step. I cut the stem of the plant. The tramp slept in the tent. I put hot milk in the big flask. Fred can stand up on the stilt. Sam had jam on the soft crust. The blond man slept in the bed. I can twist the lid on the jam pot. Dad had a red spot on his scalp. The blond man cannot stand up.